KCTV Lone Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dob yeng jongpi
Myntri Khynnah ke Sorkar pedeng Pyntreikam Ministry of Minority Affairs ujon barla ha kasngi baar ke arpoetri ujelleo arhajar arpuar ula patha ek Sorkar Jylla bakan pha ek jing terwa ha ka bede bak jingon ra ya ki song pendroi shaka Jylla Meghalaya ha ka jing keren bigila pathai ku bor hadien balawa ke jingalang u barla ulayat ho ba ulayat ho ru ba ka jing penchai pet ba shapang ka Skhim ka Sorkar pedeng ka duna bah hadu ka tata ke Jylla Meghalaya bat kamru ba ka Sorkar Jylla kam shimla Pyntreikam pura ya ki Skhim ki bala bay da ka Sorkar pedeng habapan kesan ya kini ke jingkran ke jong ujon barlau loong bahadu menta pat dan uwei uban apply ya kapadhu pradesh scheme kabalong gum karam kaba arp holang hadu live holak tengka ban krisyan Ïarap pisa nak bentagi Khynnah Skul lani kisamla puli kiba angnur ban lek puli shabar kari India.
I came here before 3 days is going on and today 4th day, no? Yeah, 4th. And today I came for today's program because that is International Day, Yoga International Day. So I invited by the ministry and I came to and we meet all the department and yesterday also I met our minority ministry and I met many churches leaders, Sikh leaders and Muslim leaders. I mean, and there is many things to do through our ministry. That's why I meet all the and what development in 8 years, Pradhan Myntri what development done for the country. So I tell all this brief to what Modi hai to mumkin hai. And today I came to know many schemes are not implemented here. That's why I request to government to let us, if you want public has blessed you and choice a leader for state and let us central scheme should be implemented here, then the public of state will get the benefit from the state. That is my mission. That's why I came. And there is no awareness of central scheme. Many schemes they are not getting here. Central scheme are not getting. That's why they are not facilitated. Let us, we have to unite it and we have to collaboration, state and central, and we can do many things for the people. And in our ministry also, in minority ministries, there is many things to do. We can make a resident school, hospitals, and health centers, and community hall, and many women's facilities, boys hostel, girls hostel, smart classroom, and many other things we can do from our ministry. But the state will give a proposal to the central and we are ready to. If they come 1 feet, we will go 2 feet for development for Meghalaya. And that's why I came here. Let us unite it and let us give me a proposal. There is many things to do in our ministry, in minority ministry. Today also Health Minister of Meghalaya, he met me. We are in International Day program and we discuss and I tell them, let us, you send me a proposal and we will develop it for the people of Meghalaya. And they agreed that they will come Delhi and we will sit and we will development for the future. They don't know about the schemes. Only they know the scholarships, and out of scholarship there is many things to do. They are running many institute. just like education, health, and social. They are doing a good job, self, but till they didn't take any benefit from the ministry because there is no awareness. So I came to and meet them. Let us. Only there is a minority means they think only one community. Only Muslim they think, but there is a 6 communities are there: Muslim, Christian, Sikh, Buddhist, Farsi, Jain. There are 6 communities. All they are belongs to minority. And let us come to us. Let us we will sit and you just proposal to the state also. You can make a smart class, resident school for the poor people. If they will get the resident school, you will build here. Then the poor people, the guardian want to educate their children, but they have no money to educate their children. But there is a free education, nursery to upper higher education. But if you will not apply, you will not do this, you will not build a resident school, then how can the development of Meghalaya people? So I came here and I awareness them. Let us, you just give me a proposal. After you just send a proposal to the state and come to me. I am ready to. 42 Sadbhavana Mandap, that is a community hall, and 12 resident school. We have already, work is going on. The people of Manipur they will get facilities for the future. Those who are poor are here also. Some people are there, some guardians are there, they want to educate their children, but they have no money to educate them. And Modi always used to do sabka saath, sabka vikas, sabka vishwas, and sabka prayas. We have to, you have to awareness the people. There is a Padho Pradesh in our ministry, but till today nobody was applied in this Padho Pradesh. Padho Pradesh means if you want to get a higher education in other country, then you will get a loan from our ministry, 20 to 30 lakhs to higher education in other country. But we don't know. When we will click in mobile, we can search, then we'll get how many schemes are in our minority ministry, how many schemes in our government of India. We can know. Just you tell them that the people will know. They don't know how to apply the loan. Suppose education loan. Suppose they want to a business loan, but they don't know how to apply. And we people, we have to awareness the people. And there is no awareness, that's why I tell my ministry also, in Meghalaya also, let's you make a awareness camp and call the people of Meghalaya and awareness them. What facilities in a minority, what facilities in central, what is in facilities in state. In hill area, there are in the remote area, they don't know. They have no internet. They don't know. Mobile also. Digital came. And we have to use mobile, digital. You search in Google, you search in YouTube, you can get. And our mission is Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, and Sabka Prayas. We want to work. Today we are running government. We both are together. And we have to, don't afraid. Why you are afraid? Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. Means what? We have to united, Sabka Saath, and development the people. And we have to believe each other. You have to believe in central government, and we are believe in state also. That's why we are sending money to development. We have sanctioned within 21-22, we have sanctioned 247 crore through our ministry. We have already sanctioned, the work is going on. Stadium is also going on. Health center also going on. There is many for women hostel, girls hostels, Hunar hubs, sports complex, shopping complex. There is going on. 247 crore already we have sanctioned. And again I am saying to the state, let us send a proposal for development of Meghalaya. State, there is 40-60, there is, and in other state 40-60. There is a 90-10 ratio. Why we are giving, if you want 1 crore, then we are giving a 90 crore, 90 lakhs, or they are giving 10 lakhs. And other state 40-60 ratio. That is the benefit. But this benefit also you will not take them. The people choose a leader to development. Why the people gave up vote? Why people choose a leader? They, when they push the button, then they think the scheme of central government, either state government will get. That's why they come out from the home and they push the button. Just you give me a proposal, many things to do. I have give them a proposal, many things. Just like a community hall, resident school, and others. You want to Hunar Hub, sports market, those who are running a market. No?
Overall development provided to sir, he have appealed to the people of Meghalaya through the government machinery to create awareness regarding various kind of developmental scheme as stated by Honorable